So here's how to fix Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter. First, you want to right click on the start button and then go to settings, and then go to network and internet. And then you want to open the network and sharing center. Now you want to select change adapter settings and then select your network adapter or Wi-Fi, and then right click on it and click diagnose. Now wait for Windows to diagnose the network adapter and potentially find any issues and suggest you fixes. Now if the troubleshooter cannot find any problems, so you can close this and then move to the next step. Now you want to open the device manager, right click on the start button and then go to device manager. And in the device manager you want to expand the network adapters and then select your network adapter. Then right click and choose update drivers and then search automatically for drivers. Now if you have the latest drivers already installed, you should see the same screen. You can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now you should install any pending drivers that you have. You can also go to the advanced option and then choose the optional updates. And in the advanced options, make sure these are turned off for the update options. Now you want to go back and click on view optional or all optional updates under optional quality update available. Now if you see any updates or drivers related to your network adapter in this list, you can simply check the box next to the optional update and then click on download and install to download it and install it on your system. And if you can't see the network adapter at all in this list, you can try to press this scan for hardware changes button at the top. You can also right click on this and click scan for hardware changes. Now if it still does not appear in this list, what you can do is a network reset. So you can close this and then open the start menu and simply type network reset and then click on the first option. Now you want to click on reset now to reset your network, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.